Oh, Daniel, there you are. I was looking for you. This one almost slipped through the cracks. We have to do this Hanneman case.
I can't.
What do you mean you can't?
Can't do it. I can't do it.
Why can't you do it?
Dead dog. Got a dead dog.
Dead dog?
Yeah. Yeah. Got a dog and he's just dead. It's just super duper dead. He was alive and now he's dead. And he's my dog.
Okay, so you have a dog. How long? Why have I not heard about this? Okay. What's his name?
Pencil? Dog's name is Pencil?
Pencil. You have a dog named Pencil.
I do.
Okay.
I have a dog named Pencil.
Okay, how long have you had him?
6 or 7.
6 or 7 what? Months? Years?
Got it.
Okay, what does he eat? What does he like to eat?
Pencil, he likes to eat clocks. He loves to eat clocks, Pencil does.
Clocks. You have a dog named Pencil that likes to eat clocks.
Yes, it's his favorite food. Can't keep him away from a bowl of clocks.
You are the worst liar that I have ever met.
Hey, Dan.
Hey, man.
Sorry to hear about Pencil, man. It's really rough stuff.
Hey, thanks, dude. Thank you.
How long had you had him again? Like 6 or 7?
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Guess he finally ate the wrong clock, huh?
Yeah.
Ironic that dog who ate so much time had his own tragically cut short.
Yeah, well, hey, thanks for saying something, man. It really means a lot.
Absolutely, man.
Thanks.
I am so sorry for your loss.
Thanks.
I'm just kidding.
Thanks, Denise.
Yeah.